What's up, everybody? We went about how many minutes down the road?
An hour, I guess.
About an hour down the road. We're in Kentucky, and we're just exploring a little bit. Of course, we're at one of our favorite stores, Dollar Tree. So we'll check this one out and see what they got. Let's go. All right, we came, we saw, we conquered. We didn't take y'all in because they were actually a little busy. But we found the popcorn that our local Dollar Trees tends to run out of every single time that we go. It's very good. I mean, better than movie theater popcorn. Rhett got his Happy Cola gummies. He loves those things. I picked out, haven't had these in a long time. I just kind of have a little sweet tooth. Oh, I didn't realize this. It actually has a scripture on the back. That's cool. I never noticed that. Unless they just started printing it on there. I don't know. And of course, we got batteries for the scanner, just in case, because it drinks batteries. And Brett got this pen with Minecraft on it. Look. So, what are we about to do now?
Go to Princeton, I guess.
Okay. Let's go.
All right, this is the Paducah and Louisville Railway, and surprisingly, they're running. It's Saturday, so that's why I'm kind of shocked about that. Because usually short lines like this don't run. Also, right there is some more power that uses a rock quarry. There's a rock quarry. I think it's over that way somewhere. And that's that power. They only have 2 locomotives for them. And they sit here in the yard because they bring in gondolas and those hoppers right there. All those are probably from that quarry. So anyway, I'm just gonna see what happens because I did see a yellow signal, which means something can come, but they have to stop. So I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna find out, folks. Okay, so got an update for this train that's sitting here. It's a local job, which means it's a short distance yard to yard transfer. Local can also mean going out and working industries such as 84 lumber or something like that. So that's what that is. And so it just came in to here today. It's a Monday through Saturday job, so it's already done for the day. So that's why we're not going to see it running. And that's why the engine started up, because it just came in. But they do have another railroad sitting here that I did not know this the last time that I was up here. Before this channel was created, there is an FVRR, 2 of them. It's a short line company that only does stone. There's a stone quarry to, I think, my northwest, and so, or northeast, excuse me. So yeah, and I'll show this real quick. Okay, so it's yellow, so I don't think I'm gonna get anything. And off to the CSX now. I've already said that, but off to there. All right, folks, so we're back on our hometown line. We have a G435 coming, grain loads, so we're gonna see that. Also, we got 502 also in the picture. 502 is not lit up yet because he stopped at South Caskey. So we're gonna wait to see when they come. So we'll just take a look. All right, we got Freddy's. We're on our way to our friend's house. And somebody about ate all of hers.
No, I have not.
That's not true. Don't.
Eating a few fries is not eating all of it.
Yes, it is. So, anyway, on our way. And, yeah, then we're gonna go back home. Alright, folks, so, are you done yawning?
Oh, it is 9:15.
I'm playing. Anyway, so, thank you for tagging along with us today, for a little adventure. Tomorrow, if you may recall, we did a video on this last year of the Super Bowl when, the Eagles and the Chiefs were in the Super Bowl. Now, it's neither. It is Seattle versus the Patriots. Seattle is looking pretty good. They've been looking pretty good all year, man. So, I'm going to take Seattle. And
I'll tell y'all my pick tomorrow because I'm not sure. I'm just not sure.
we'll vlog it like we did. We'll probably start vlogging the Super Bowl every year because it is fun to vlog, and it's the biggest game of the year. So, anyway, we hope you enjoyed this vlog, and we will see you tomorrow for the Super Bowl.
Bye.
Bye.